This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 2018 Gold Rush autograph full-size jersey football one-box break eBay break on August 14th, 2018. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. Bear Down 24 UA3 with the Dolphins and Saints. Jim Holshides 0 with the Chiefs, Eagles, Bears, and Chargers. S Van Wag 7 MYZ with the Redskins. D Sunset 777 with the Titans. Mr. Cub Fan with the 49ers, Cowboys, Packers, Rams, and Steelers. Josp-4787 with the Seahawks. 801 K-Town with the Raiders. Ranger Bassrat 8 with the Giants. Bria Marty-6 with the Patriots. Greg-Keat with the Vikings. B Lions 04 with the Jaguars. Pure G Carmi with the Colts. Cable Guy 5000 with the Texans. Grandpa_Len with the Lions. Mache.Mar with the Broncos. RD Co with the Browns. Crowbar 31 with the Panthers. W Ross 95 with the Bills. And B Quinn_11 rocking the Falcons. That is your full lineup. Okay, we have your sealed full-size jersey box here. 2018 Gold Rush autograph football. Get the plastic out first. Alrighty, time to crack the seals. Okay, it is go time. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Holy cow. Purple People Eaters. GV, what's up, buddy? Look at this jersey. Holy cow. 4 autographs on it. Oh my goodness. Marshall. Larson. PSA DNA cert on the bottom there. Oh my, look at this. Jersey's absolutely huge. Wow. I'm not going to get it too unfolded here, guys. I'm going to keep it nice and neat. I'm going to do something real quick here. That's going to Greg-Keat with the Vikings. So congrats on that. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Quad autograph. Purple People Eaters going to the Vikings, guys. Once again, congrats to Greg-Keat coming your way. Thank you so much for breaking, guys. I was sticking around. Next break's coming up at 11. Full-size autograph helmet.